Wow, guys, I think we stumbled into a marriage over here. Wow, let's check it out. Indian marriage. Wow. Your daughter, marriage. It's marriage. Yeah, right? First time. I'm visiting from Germany. Your brother. Nice. I'm from Germany. Nice to meet you. Yeah, my first time seeing Indian marriage. Look at this, guys. We have over here traditional Punjabi wedding over here. Wow. Nice to meet you. From Germany. Wow, very nice. Nice to meet you. It's very nice. Nice. I like the hat. Very nice hat. Traditional. Wow. Hey! Hey! No one clapping, no? Wish you good luck. Yes, yes. You know. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Belly dancer, belly dancer. Yeah, nice. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. Oh, very nice. Wow. What a belly dancer. Yeah, belly dancer. Nice to meet you. Hello. Nice, very nice. Number one, yeah. Hey, nice. Okay. Oh, Audi. Wow, nice. German car, yeah. Germany, Audi. Very nice. Wow, guys, very nice. Wow, guys, I can say with such a random interaction over here, and we are right now, I don't know, I think we're having a parade right now, moving a little bit, something like that. Very nice. Henna tattoos. So apparently I need to get something for my head to cover my head. This is the tradition over here at the wedding. And what you can also do is wash your feet and wash your hand over here. There's also like a Punjabi tradition over here to cover your head and also to wash your feet and wash your hand first. So that's what I'm doing right now. Basically, just to be clean, you know. So I like this tradition, really, really nice tradition over here. That's good.
चलो बाइट कर लो हाँ ठीक फेस तो थले रखियो सारा थोड़ा नीमा कर दो फेस तो थले कर लो ये जी बाहर कर दो हाँ इधर 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 देखो वेट करो वेट
This is the bride, yeah? Husband, and this is wife, right?
Wife.
Yes. And this is Sikh, yeah?
Temple.
Sikh temple here, yeah? Okay. Very nice. This he's explaining me the tradition over here. Ah, very nice. And now they have gift, yeah? Present.
Present gift.
Ah, very
gold.
Nice. Very nice.
Pure gold.
Wow. Yeah,
Pure gold है. Boy father.
Ah, okay.
So baby girl को, bride girl को
Give to wife. Yeah. I know, understand. Yes.
3,000
Karat.
dollar.
Wow, $3,000.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. The gifts are around $3,000 of gold. This is crazy sum. So much. Wow. There are even more gifts right now. They are giving it all to the bride right now, to the future wife. And she's going, the family of the bride is receiving all the gifts right now, all the presents right now. And I can say these are a lot of presents, like really, really lot. Presents everywhere. Now they cover the head of the bride. It's also tradition in this religion to cover the head most of the time. Cover the head in Punjabi culture, yes.
Punjabi culture.
Yeah, yes. That's why I also have a head cover like this. Nice, yes. This is normal, yeah. The ceremony is starting right now. They are about to marry right now. Okay, guys, so that was it for this episode. I wanted to add one more thing. This wedding would go, I think, 2 or 3 more hours. I decided to leave after this scene because it was getting too long and I still had other plans to do that day. So once again, thank you very much to the family who invited me. I just wanted to show you guys a small introduction into a Indian Punjabi wedding, and I hope you liked it. And of course, see you next time once again, and I hope you like it. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye.